In today's video, I'm just going to take a look at partnership law in Ireland and take a general sort of an overview, but there's one critical point that I will touch upon which should be of significance to you, and that is to do with having a written partnership agreement. If you are in a partnership and you do not have a written partnership agreement, then your partnership will be governed by the Partnership Act of 1890. This clearly will probably be completely inappropriate for your business. The law assumes that any time two or more people come together to carry on a business and don't form a company, they're in a partnership. So it's quite possible that you could find yourself being considered a partner in a business without you even knowing it. Many professionals then, such as doctors and dentists, accountants, solicitors and so on, are not allowed to form companies. A partnership, unlike a limited company, is not a separate legal entity. This basically means that each partner is severally and jointly liable for all of the debts of the partnership and all of the losses. So even where one partner goes off on a complete and utter bender and perhaps acts fraudulently and puts the other partner or partners on the hook, the other partners are still liable for the debts. The definition of a partnership then in the 1890 Act, as I say, it defines a partnership as a situation where two or more people carry on business with a view to making a profit. Then a partnership exists. And that is clearly a fairly broad definition. So if you bought a couple of houses with somebody, for example, clearly you intend probably making a profit. And if that's the case, then you could well be considered to be in a partnership with the other person with whom you've bought the property. So you need to be careful that a partnership does not come into being inadvertently or without your noticing it. If there's no written agreement, then, as I said, the Partnership Act of 1890 will dictate how the relationship is carried on. This means that there's no right to expel a partner. Any partner may dissolve the partnership by giving a written notice to the other partner. If a partner dies, the partnership will dissolve automatically, and there's no power to retire under the Partnership Act of 1890. What you should include then in a partnership agreement, well, it should contain a non-compete agreement for when an individual partner leaves. It should set out the situation concerning the financial rights and obligations of the partners. What entitlement have they in respect of profits, losses? Do they have to make a contribution? What are they entitled to in terms of drawings? What about partnership property? What about property brought into the partnership by particular partners? Is that partner property or partnership property? The partnership agreement should also provide for some sort of a remuneration for the partners, as the Partnership Act of 1890 does not permit this. So there should be some agreement in relation to salary or remuneration or drawings. It should also provide for the expulsion of a partner in the circumstances where there is a dispute. It should also provide for the dissolution of the partnership, and it should also provide for what is to happen on the death of an individual partner. My name is Terry Gorry. I am a solicitor in Enfield in County Meath. I hope that you've found this short introductory video to partnership helpful.